Yo, what's up, guys? It's International O back at it again with another one. Unboxing. Doernbecher collection dropped last Friday. I was able to pick up one of the shoes from the Doernbecher collection. This is actually the only one that I went for. It's the only one I liked. They had a few of them. Like I said, I don't know. I didn't really, But I mean, it's for a good cause. The Doernbecher Hospital, every year they take a few kids and they let them design their own shoe. And for this one was designed by a kid named Payton Fentress. In 2010, he was diagnosed with Crohn's disease and colitis. And now in 2008, due to the Doernbecher Hospital, he has been getting the proper medications and been able to manage the Crohn's disease. So here we are here with the box, as you can see, the Doernbecher box. And here we go. This is the Nike Zoom Fly DB. So I was able to cop the Zoom Fly. Like I said, out of the collection, those were the ones I wanted. I know a lot of people like the 15s. It wasn't for me. I mean, of course, due to the significance of what they're for, I respect it, but it just wasn't for me. I like this shoe. So let's get to it. Oh, yeah. Yeah, these hard in person. I like these, man. I like the laces. It's like a thin lace. Then on the tongue of the shoe, on both shoes, it has his initials, and it has 77 and 16. If you guys can see that on the tongue of the shoe. Then it's see-through, kind of like how they've been doing the Nike Elements. You can see through if you wear a sock. So as you can see, it's netted, but it's see-through if you put your foot in there, depending on the sock you wear. And on the tongue, as you can see where the laces go, it has like the line for the sew in where a baseball would go, because his favorite sport is baseball. And he also is a fan of the Chicago Cubs and the Portland Trail Blazers. So yeah, this is pretty dope. On the insole, it says New Goat. I can't see what else it has. And then on the other insole, it has the baseball print, and it says World Champion, and it has Payton on it. You can see on the inside of there. Retail for this shoe was $170. Real nice shoe, and like I said, it's for a real important cause. So I definitely didn't have a problem donating. Even when they have their Doernbecher auction, these people pay money, like $16,000, $15,000, $20,000. And then on here at the bottom, it says greatest of all time here on the sole of the shoe on this side. And then as the netting, it has the 1977 on this side. Overall, solid shoe, man. I have to give it to you. These joints are hard, no complaints. And it's a light shoe. It's a very light shoe, very light and comfortable. Yeah, I've heard a few people tell me about the Zoom Fly. They say the shoe, sometimes your foot, it feels like you're at an incline or something. I've never owned a pair of Zoom Flies, so I'm gonna check them out. Overall, dope shoe. You like the review, go ahead and hit the like button. Also, be sure to subscribe to the page. Also, be sure to look out on my website. I'm gonna put the website right here in the description, canokickit.com. Probably by Saturday. On Saturday, I will be having a sale on there for clothing. Like, I got a bunch of clothes, man. Some of them is worn. Of course, I'll clean it. Some of it haven't been worn at all. And I'm just gonna put it up for sale, man. If you guys want to cop it, some nice shirts. I have some like artist merchandise shirts. I have some nice little denim button-up t-shirt, not t-shirts, but denim button-up shirts. And then I think I'm gonna put these shoes on here. This is gonna be a size 9 that I got from the buy one get one free from Social Status. So I'll probably have these shoes up there as well. But like I said, Saturday, and it's in the description. Saturday, be on the lookout. I will have that website up and ready. You'll go to the website, click shop, and it should be there ready. I'm working on that right now, so bear with me. But until the next release, you guys be cool. All right, guys, you need a resume. you need artwork, you need graphic design. If you watch my videos at the beginning, you see the little graphics and it has my name across. All those services can be provided at one place, Fiverr.com, Fiverr.com. For as low as $5, you can get all these different services, and then some will get more expensive depending on what you need. So check them out, and if you use my promo code INTL10, as you can see on the screen, you'll get 10% off your initial purchase. So go to Fiverr.com, use their services. You can get something done within 24 hours also. So check them out, Fiverr.com. Tell them International O sent you. Peace.